Have you ever sat down to get your life together and just couldn't do it? Not because you were tired, not because you were distracted, you just couldn't move. And the worst part? You have goals. You want to change. So why are you stuck? You scroll, you stare. You waste time knowing you're wasting time. Then comes the shame spiral. Why am I like this? Why can't I just do the thing? You try to hype yourself up. You set timers, make plans, swear you'll do better tomorrow, but nothing sticks. And somewhere deep down, a voice whispers, maybe I'm just lazy. But what if that voice is wrong? Because it's not just one thing holding you back. It's everything at once. Your mind is spinning. You don't know where to start, so you don't start at all. You jump between tabs, check your phone again, open and close your to-do list without touching it. And every second of not doing makes it harder to do. But laziness? This isn't that. There's a reason you can't move. There's a reason your brain keeps choosing anything else over the thing you know you need to do. You think you're failing. But what if your brain was actually protecting you? You're tired. You're overwhelmed. You're afraid of getting it wrong. You're out of alignment with what actually matters to you. And here's the kicker. None of this means you're broken. It means you're human. So what now? Forget the mountain. Just take one step. Stack rewards onto effort. Make it fun. Add music, a timer, a treat when you finish. Break the fear of failure by showing up. Messy, done is always better than perfect. And if you're burned out, rest. Not as a reward, but because you need it. So remember, you're not lazy. You're tired, scared, overloaded, misaligned. So start small. You don't have to do everything today. Just one thing, and then another. You're already doing more than you think.